Hi, can I order just a small drink? Sure, coming right up. Hey, so the person in front of you actually paid for your order. Would you like to pay it forward? Wow, that's so nice. Sure, use my card. Let's pay it forward. There really are such nice people in this world. I bet your mom is so proud of you. Thank you. I'm like her third favorite son, so yeah, you really are my hero. Anyway, the person behind you ordered 4 cheeseburgers, 17 large french fries, 6 large drinks, a pound of chicken nuggets, 14 milkshakes. Okay, let me just stop you right there. I didn't know a family of 14 was behind me, so I'm gonna need that card back, please.